Eto na ang clues. Clue number 1. One of the most credible and highly respected journalists of our time. Uh-oh, I think I know who our guest will be. Okay, is there a second clue? Palaban at hindi uurungan ang mga usaping bayan. Matinik sa investigative reporting. Mapangahas magtanong. Pero may paggala. Oh, ayan na nga. Is our surprise guest for today Miss Malu Mangahas? Yes!
Hi, Pete.
Miss Malu, how are you?
Pwede mo magpahula ng kapalaran sa New Year?
Miss Malu, how are you? Of course, you were in my very original list of guesses with the first clue pa lang. Pero syempre, baka male, female, hindi natin alam. But with that last clue na mapangahas magtanong, alam na natin na ikaw yon.
Oo nga eh. I'm doing fine. Actually, we're doing our The Mga Has Interviews program. Magtatatlong taon na kami. First week of December, we're entering our 4th year at marami pa rin makukulit na dapat ma-interview.